Welcome back, everyone. I told you that would be easy. So now that you've learned all about WordPress or had a quick refresher, you know about WordPress themes, templates, and plugins, and I'm hoping that you can see the benefit in working with WordPress as you move forward in building up a new business in web design or scaling up your digital agency offerings. One of the things that I really struggled with early on was not having an actual manual to provide to clients. So I created this amazing website for a client and really sold them on being able to manage their own site easily. But even after holding live training sessions, it was just too much to retain. So we were able to get and brand out our own WordPress user manual, which comes from Easy WP Guide. This was a saving grace, and so we've made a version available to you in PDF format so you can use it to provide out to your clients as it is. Or if you want to get your own version in MS Word format that you can brand for your company or to give to your clients, you can get that license at easywpguide.com, easywpguide.com. I recommend supporting them and then getting your own Word versions so you can brand. In addition to this guide, there are a number of resource links below that you can either provide directly to clients or you can scrape out the info for further WordPress support. Later on in this course, we'll also take a look at training videos. One of the best things I did for clients was provide them training videos for each new website launch. So between providing a full user manual and the training videos, clients were able to easily manage their own websites or train their internal staff on maintenance as well. And then, of course, we'll talk more about website maintenance services and retainers so you can provide even more support for your clients, keeping them on board long term, and then, of course, creating that long-term recurring revenue. So that really wraps up this module on the absolute basics. In the next module, we'll start digging into the actual process of making money building WordPress websites. We'll go over how to set up your own domain name and where to find a home for your WordPress websites. So we'll really dig into domain registration and hosting from beginner to advanced to affiliate, where you'll learn how to make additional recurring revenue or affiliate commissions while providing these services to your clients. So I really hope you're enjoying this course so far, and I'll see you in the next video.